Oh, no. No, shut the door. Oh, God. This is my first time seeing this. Alright. So all those books are ruined down there. Since she doesn't understand what mold is and how it proliferates.
Pretty dark.
And now she's going to be smashing on the ground. Yelling because my dog is probably whining or something in the room. It just needs to be let out. But she's going to make a big deal out of it. Like something is, like a calamity is going on. Just makes life miserable. But check out, all these books would be ruined. You got like 10-15 minutes. Okay, so let's check out all these books. Huh. Okay, that's a good thing. Is that mold? Oh no. You hear that? Yep. I got doused. Oh God, Book of Secrets. The secrets are gone. So yeah, I'm gonna keep them. It's probably not healthy. There's like gold sparkly. Dude, I can smell the fucking mold. Yeah, see, that's mold right there. That's black mold. So I should have a mask on. I should have gloves on. I'm trying to learn about women in war. I'm just trying to be a good feminist. All I'm trying to do is be a good fucking feminist with my naked heart. Poems erased from time. I have a fire in the belly on being a man. It's fucking bullshit. Alright, so all stuck together. That's fucking mold. Mold. I don't even know what book it is. Waiting for the Galactic Bus. That's X Day, July 5th, which is 2 days. Make sure you get on that pleasure saucer where the sex aliens are coming to pick up all the sub-geniuses. Let's see here. Oh no! 100% black mold. Black mold I just touched. Dude, I'm putting on a fucking mask, dude. That's terrible. Holy shit. Wow. The web that has no weaver. I'm gonna need some fucking Chinese medicine to get this fucking shit out of my body now. Oh my God, dude. Look at this shit, dude. A pagan of the Agaganithanes? I don't even know what the fuck that shit. Dude, look at this shit. Oh my God. It's just, there's fucking black mold everywhere. Magnificent obsession. My book Obsession is destroyed. It did destroy it. A giant flood happened and I couldn't save it because I wasn't here. This is filled with... Doesn't matter. These books suck. As long as these... Oh yeah! I forgot. Look. Down here. This is this whole thing. Every single book on the shelf is early 1900s, mid 1900s, and late 1800s. And nothing on this shelf has a QR code, the scanning code, the barcode on the back. But I forgot that I put all of my mineral shit on the bottom. I forgot. So that's what I was most worried about. This shelf's not that bad. But this shelf I thought was full of fucking all of my 1800 and early 1900 books. So I'm actually fucking relieved for these books still. And I have a bunch in the garage. I'll make a separate video on that. It's not as bad as I thought. Fuck yes. Thank Christ I only lost like 1,000 or 2.
Could always be worse. You could be on a submersive looking for the Titanic.
Oh, dude.
Just don't let a little bit of water implode your dreams.
Oh, dude. It's. Oh no. Oh. Oh, dude. Yeah, that's 100% fucking green black mold. The Lost Wagon. Wow.
The Lost Book.
Dude, that is fucking ugly and treacherous. But I kind of wanted to give a list and catalog all these fucking books before I throw them out. But they're not as good as I thought, although this one might be. The Silver Chalice. Alright, almost done here. It's like you can't let them touch one another. She thought that by putting it, if I do it like a Jenga board, then it'll all dry out. No, they're all touching one another. Do you know what happens when a rotten piece of fruit touches another one? It spreads to it and kills the whole fucking good bunch. That's how mold works. This actually was an expensive book. Island of the Sun. Fucking damn it, dude. Every fucking one of these. This one's every fucking one. Always is not forever. What? Damn, dude. Whatever. You gotta let go of my book obsession. It's good. It helps me not be such a attached materialist. Whatever. Gone. Here's some more Chinese medicine books. Or sorry, Living Yoga, Creating a Life Practice. I'm not too much of a fan of these mainstream newer yoga books. I'm more of a fan of the 1926 yoga books. Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Biology, 4th edition, whatever. Now, these are the only books that are destroyed. Here. I got a broken leg too, by the way. Oh, I'm not supposed to put any weight on it. Geosystems. And this is absolutely, utterly fucking putrid. Look at this. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Bring it up, bring it over. Themes and Variations. Psychology. Oh. I'm gonna need a therapist if this fucking type of shit keeps happening to me. I'm my own fucking therapist, bitch. Alright. Oh, God. Fuck that. That's pretty good, though. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So, go to my Patreon and give me money. I'll have the link in the description. Oh, I hate this world.